Hello everyone, welcome to the course Introduction to Statistics. This video is all about the definition of statistics. Statistics may refer different things to different people. For a football lover, statistics may refer to the number of matches his favorite team has won for the last year. For a businessman, statistics may refer to the amount of revenue he has earned for the last 10 years or the average growth for his company. For a student like you, statistics may mean a subject with lots of data, tables, diagrams. So in this left side picture, you can see this is a text mining done on statistics. It gives quite a basic understanding about the subject statistics. Statistics is dealing with lots of data. So collection of data, then how you organize the data and how do you interpret the data based on the some basic statistical analysis. It is of two types, descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics where we are trying to visualize the data with some graph charts, tables and all, some measures of central tendency, dispersion, etc. Whereas inferential statistics, we are trying to predict or infer the value of the population parameter based on the sample statistic. There are a lot of theories are there. It is a scientific method. So in a single definition, we can say statistics is the science that teaches us what is the political arrangement of all the modern states of the known world. Or in other words, we can say it is an art and science of collecting, analyzing, presenting and interpreting data. The definition of statistics, let's have a little more details. Its statistics is an aggregate of facts. When we are telling the average height of the students in my class is 5 feet 6 inches, it is not talking about one student. So statistics most of the time it deals with a number of cases and it is affected by multiplicity of causes. Suppose we want to predict how the students will perform in the final exam. So this is my dependent variable and there are a lot of influencing factors which are nothing but the independent variable which will have impact on the dependent variable. So in my case, the student's IQ will influence the attendance of the students in the classes or how regular he or she in the classes. The teacher who is teaching that subject, the book, what he is referring, all these things might have the impact for the variable, dependent variable for which we are trying to predict. So there are a lot of numbers. Statistics is mostly dealing with numbers. Though based on the number, we try to make some visual representation like graphs, tables, charts, and etc. Scatter plot. So, but basically it deals with a lot of numbers. Statistics are a certain level of estimation is allowed in statistics. Suppose a company is trying to predict what will be his next year revenue. Definitely you cannot predict to exact amount or exact accuracy. Some level of estimation will be there. And the data is collected in a systematic manner to predict something, and whenever we are trying to collect the data, there is definitely a purpose is there for collecting the data. Suppose when a company is trying to gather the data on what type of customers are coming to his retail store, definitely he has some plan to collect the data. Maybe he will come with a different marketing strategy. So statistics or statistical data collected always with a predetermined purpose. We will discuss in details what are the other elements related to statistics in my next video. Thank you.